Hi guys, this is Madness Makeup, aka Caitlin. So, if you wanted to see how I got this look, this video will be going up before this. Actually, I think this video is going up before the other ones. So it will be up soon after this one, maybe. So yeah, today we're gonna talk about my project pan, and then I'm just gonna continue on into this. So it's not that long of a video. I can't talk today clearly. Alright, so first of all, we got the Ciate London blush. This is in the shade Date Night, and it looks like this. Apparently it broke some more, so there really is no going back. I don't know if you could see it, but that's what it looks like. Oh, my hands are messy. Oh dang, I forgot to show swatches. Anyways, it's not important. So, I don't know if you guys saw that or not. It looks like that. So yeah, I did not make any progress on that, but I'll try to use it up as much as I can. And then, this is the NYX Professional Makeup Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. And I think I really did some progress on this one. I'm pretty sure I was like at where the circle is right here. Like, this part was already done. But now I'm out here. I have been chipping away at this. I don't actually wear a lot of powder foundation as much as I used to. And then this is the Photo Balm from The Balm. This is their powder foundation. You actually can't buy this one anymore. So it's all kind of crumbled and it looks like that. I think I did some really good progress on this one, so yeah. I think what I'm going to do is do a rolling project pan, so I'm going to continue using these items. So most of these are discontinued, so including this one. So this is the eyeshadow part of my e.l.f. palette, and I haven't really used it, so I do need to start using it. I do really like that green shade and that blue shade right next to it. They're very pretty. It's like the only pop of colors they give you besides like the two greens. And then this is the blush and like bronzer palette. This used to be like a white shade, and I use that to set my concealer and stuff. It used to be like a pressed white powder. And then you can tell that I have used this blush, not so much this one. You can tell I used that one, and I did use that one today, but I'm not sure you can tell that I used it. And I'm also using this one. I've been using that one, and I think either one of these two. I just don't use that darkest shade over there because I have very fair skin. I'm learning to use that with a contour and not so much this one. They are both very cool toned, so I think I thought was good. Yeah, okay. So that's what it looks like. It's very dirty. And then this is my Pixi by Petra Ultimate Beauty Kit 3rd edition. This one is also discontinued. I have hit pan on this highlighter shade right there, as you can see. I've also hit pan on that shade over there, so I still got a lot of work to do. I do need to use this one more often. It's got very pretty neutrals, and then you also can have like some really muted pastels, which I think is kind of cool. I mean, look at that side, it's beautiful. I must have got concealer or something in that black shade, but it's okay. It's an old palette, so it happens. Alright, and then I did finish my First Aid Beauty coconut water cream. I actually bought a third one, so I'm on my third coconut water cream. One was in a little tube from Ipsy that I got when I first started with my Ipsy bag. And then I bought the second one off of Ipsy, I think, or something. I don't know. And then I bought it again at Ulta recently. So I'm happy about that. I like that one. I also just opened my Pixi one, so I don't know why I did that. But I can try to use them both. I'll just like rotate them or something like that. Because I did finish the Pixi one, and I would buy that one again because I like that one too. So either way, I think it's good for my skin. And I also finished the coconut lime verbena lotion. This isn't it, but this is their Pretty in Pink one, which is like my favorite flavor or scent from their store. This is Shameless Soap Company, and they're based in Wisconsin, so I like to buy from like a lot of local places and stuff. And they smell really good, and they make soap as well. They also make these in like pumps, so you don't have to get it in like a tub. You can if you want to. But yeah, oh my god, that smells really good. So it was in like a tub like this. And I really like it. I actually did rebuy it. I think they still have it on their website because it is like seasonal, although I'm not sure if they took it away because of like the holiday, because it is starting to be in the new year now. As far as retail goes, so I'm not really sure about that. So sorry if I'm giving you misinformation. But yeah, I really like that one. They're very moisturizing. I use them like when I shower a lot. Well, I like rotate lotions, so I can use them up, which is probably good for me because I have like 1,000 lotions. So I did also want to add this NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter to my rolling project pan. I thought I would just add something. I think this is the only thing as far as I know that I'm trying to go through. It's quite old. I do really like it. I think this one's also discontinued. It's not a good sign when stuff is discontinued. But yeah. I think a lot of it hardened up, but there's still some product in there. So I'm going to try to get through it as much as I can. Obviously I really liked it because I did go through quite a bit. So, well, at least the part that didn't dry up anyways. But yeah. Alright, that is it for my project pan. So we're gonna do a rolling project pan. So I'll call this like the finale, but I'll also say like rolling project pan 2021 or something like that. You'll get the idea. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like this video. Alright, I'll see you later. Also, I know my inner corner is effed up, but it's fine. Alright, bye.